In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung S23 to Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to show you what I believe is the easiest way to set up and connect any Samsung device, including the S23, to Smart TV. This will work with any Samsung smartphone, and it is a feature natively included into the device. So all that you have to do is first swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. In here you will find plenty of options, and the one that you are looking for is going to be Smart View. So as you can see by the icon, it is two arrows and then a play symbol in the middle. All that you have to do is look for Smart View and tap on it. If you cannot see Smart View, make sure that you access the settings and that the option is included here, or try updating your device. So when you go inside of Smart View, it is going to search for nearby devices. As long as your TV and your smartphone are in close proximity and on the same network, you will be able to connect them both directly. So your TV is going to appear on the list, make sure that it is connected to the same network, and then select it here. Immediately upon selecting it, you will see this message. Smart View will have access to all of the information that is visible on your screen or played from your phone while casting, including passwords, payment details, photos, messages, and audios that you play. So all that you have to do now is choose the option to start. And you will find options related to Smart View. So if you go into the settings of Smart View, you will be able to control the aspect ratio and how it remains connected. It will remain connected indefinitely as long as you stay on the same network and as long as your phone remains charged. Alternatively, you can try connecting it over a cable, such as a USB to HDMI or anything similar, and access the device's storage. But if you want to screen mirror your phone, this is going to be the way to do it, through Smart View. As long as you choose Smart View from the system tray here, you will be able to get it done easily. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S23 to Smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.